Car rental traps at Punta Cana airport. You land in Punta Cana, you're excited, it's hot, you just want to get to your hotel. You walk up to the rental car counter because you pre-booked online for $7.95 a day, and 20 minutes later you're standing there wondering how the bill turned into $65 a day and why they're asking to block $4,000 on your credit card. Sound familiar? In this video I'm going to show you exactly how that happens, every single trap they run at Punta Cana airport, and what to do instead, because I run a car rental company right here in Punta Cana and I see this play out with tourists every single week, how you end up at the airport counter. Most tourists do the same thing. They go to Expedia, Booking.com or Kayak, sort by price and book the cheapest car. That's $7.95 a day economy on page 1. That's from Avis Budget, Alamo Hertz, the big global franchises. They're all at the airport, inside Terminal A and Terminal B at PUJ. Here's the thing, those aggregators are not lying. That base rate is technically real, but it does not include mandatory local liability insurance, CDW, personal accident insurance, airport surcharges or taxes. It's like a restaurant advertising pasta from $2. The plate, the sauce and the seat cost extra. And once you're standing at that counter after a long flight with your luggage, the real negotiation starts. The 6 traps. Trap number 1, the bait price. That $7.95 is the stripped base rate. By the time mandatory local fees and basic liability are added, you're already at $40 to $50 before anyone mentions insurance. The Dominican Republic requires liability insurance by law when you rent a car. It's not optional and it's not included in that online price. Trap number 2, the deposit bombshell. Want to keep the advertised price and use your own credit card insurance? Great! They'll block $3,000 to $6,000 on your credit card as a security deposit, not a charge, a hold, but if you don't have that available credit limit after paying for your flights, hotel and vacation expenses, you're stuck. Trap number 3, the insurance upsell. Here's the pitch. Pay $25 more per day for our full coverage and the deposit drops to $500. Sounds reasonable, except now your $7.95 car costs $65 a day, which is exactly what they wanted all along. Trap number 4, the prepaid trap. This one hurts the most. If you prepaid through the aggregator and you refuse their terms at the counter, they keep your money. You've already paid and you leave with nothing. That's why, if you ever book through an aggregator, always choose pay at the counter. Always. It's the one option that lets you walk away without losing anything. Trap number 5, forced upgrade. Sorry, your economy car isn't available. We can offer you this SUV for $40 more per day. Of course they don't have your car. This is not a coincidence. Trap number 6, pre-existing damage. You pick up the car, they walk around it quickly. You return it and suddenly there's a scratch they say you made. Always film every inch of the car before you drive off. A 2-minute walk-around video has saved people thousands of dollars. Your alternatives. The simplest fix is to not rent at the airport counter at all, and there are actually several real options depending on your trip. If you want a car for the full trip, book in advance with a local Punta Cana company. We run Vroom.DO right here, transparent all-in pricing, full insurance included, $200 deposit regardless of vehicle class, no credit card required just to make a reservation, and we deliver the car directly outside the terminal, no shuttle, no off-site lot, no waiting in line after landing. If you only need transport occasionally, Uber works well in Punta Cana, safer than unmarked taxis, fixed price before you get in. If you're staying mostly at the resort, a shared transfer in and out might be everything you need. No car required at all. The one rule: if you take nothing else from this video, never prepay for a rental car in Punta Cana through an aggregator. Always choose pay at the counter. That one decision means if they change the terms on you, at the desk, you walk away, $0 lost, and before you go, make sure you film the car before driving off. Check that insurance is included in your quoted price and confirm the exact deposit amount before you land. All of that is covered in detail in the full guide linked below. I hope this saves you a frustrating first hour in paradise. If it helped, drop a like. It helps other travelers find this before they make the same mistake. Full pricing, fleet and booking are at Vroom.DO. Link in the description. See you in the next one.